I don't want to overdo it. Kasi may kasabihan na if you overdo it, mas lalong iitim. Sunflower oil body scrub. Kasi ang dami na nag-create at na nagsabi ng effective. Hi butterflies and welcome back to my channel. Yes, as you can tell from the title, we are going to try and test it out. TikTok, a body scrub that helps lighten our dark areas. Since it's from the TikTok, let's begin with a video from TikTok.
TikTok DIY whitening scrub. Let's try it, ladies. First is the natural sunflower oil by HumanNature. It helps even out skin tone, visibly lightens dark spots, pimple marks, and underarms. Second is a lightening scrub. I will be using Yoko Spa Milk Salt. Yoko Spa Milk Salt is a skin lightening, enriched vitamin E and milk protein. It gives nourishment to your skin.
So there you have it, butterflies. It's just like that from the TikTok video, and these are the secret ingredients to make your skin more makinis, and also it lightens your skin. First ingredient is to have your natural sunflower oil. So you can get any sunflower oil, but I have here from HumanNature, it's the sunflower beauty oil. It's 100 ml and this retails for 299.75 pesos. So parang 300 pesos na rin siya. It's cruelty-free and vegan-free, plus it's hypoallergenic tested and dermatologist tested. So this product, it really helps lighten your underarms, your acne, your dark spot. I have here one. This is Judith. And not only that, because this product can also help for your hair. Nagbibring siya ng moisture, ng shine, and plus it's very soft. Ayan no, akala mo nilawayan yung buhok ko, pero no, it's a sunflower oil. And the smell. The smell is not that strong. Naamoy pa rin ang aking conditioner. It helps more soften your hair, especially if you have a thick and curly hair. On checking the website, they have 25 top secrets of using a sunflower oil, and the most eye-catching dun is it lightens your underarm. It helps reduce your stretch marks and mga pimple marks, dark spots, wrinkles. So sunflower oil is a very great benefits to our body. So yun. And the second thing is you need a salt scrub. A lot of TikTok's video are using a Aboni salt scrub, but apparently sold out na siya. But this product is the same as Aboni. This is Yoko. And if you are in the UAE, Yoko napaka-famous to sa Almaya, pati sa Carrefour. Color pink one with the yogurt, it's sobrang mabango. But they don't have the pink one, so I get the black one. So this is really famous, guys. So it's made from Thailand. It's the same as Aboni, but if you have Aboni, go try it out. But I have Yoko here. I'm currently using a different body scrub from GC. GC is from Glutacy. So yun, I don't want to mix it with a sunflower oil kasi the ingredients has already glutathione on it. So ito, it's more on natural thing. So I'll just get a scissor because it's retail for 80 pesos and the product contains 300 grams. Ayan na, it's already open. So I have my salt scrub ready here and the sunflower oil. Guys, you can get any sunflower oil. Syempre, we'll go for the natural one. I think some of the TikTokers posted where they get a gallon of sunflower oil na mas cheaper. But if you want to go for that, go ahead. But for me, I got everything sa Watson. So it's easy for me to get it. And all you have to do is get a empty container. So meron ako dito empty container. This is a Q-tip container na mga konti na lang ang pieces. So what I did, I transfer it to the new one. I have an empty container here, and all we have to do is mix everything together. It doesn't say na ilan pumps or salt ang ilalagay, but upon checking sa TikTok video, you need to have that consistency na medyo malambot na siyang gamitin. As we all know, we're using a salt body scrub. You can use it alone, guys, because this is my first time mixing it with a body oil or a sunflower oil. Because we usually use a salt scrub pag damp na yung skin natin sa shower. So it's easily to remove your dead skin cells. As you all know, may mga libag-libag pa yan. All we have to do is, I'm going, guys, to put you here in a different direction. So guys, sariling sikap tayo. Here is the sunflower oil, tsaka yung salt scrub, and here is my empty container. Okay, lagay na natin, guys. Uy, medyo madami rin siya. Actually, guys, kung medyo malambot na rin siya, pero we don't want our skin directly nasa salt na yan. Magkakaroon ka ng mga pulang-pula. So now I'm going to use the HumanNature Natural Sunflower Beauty Oil. So let's go. I'm going for a pump. Diba, parang nagbe-bake lang tayo. Okay, I think that's enough. Wow. Guys, ang bango niya. Ay, namoy ko talaga. Guys, ang bango niya. I really love the Yoko Spa Milk. As in, amoy siyang gatas. Sobrang amoy. Ayan. Ayan yung lambot niya, guys. Oh. Ay, ang ganda niya. As in, I love it. Okay, now, let's test it out. So now we're done with our mixtures, guys. So cover ko lang to. And yan. Meron na akong, I have here my dumping station. I have here my area where I can also try it out. So ito na yung product natin. Tcharan! Ganda niya. I like the color. Guys, ang bango niya. As in, try yung Yoko. I'm not sponsored by Yoko, ha. I used Abony before. And then I switched it to GC. Yoko is what I'm using. Nasa Dubai pa kami ng family ko. So, yun ang salt scrub namin doon. Alam mo ng mga Pinoy dyan. Ng mga taga-Almaya, West Zone, Carrefour. Ayan. Okay, let's start. Let's try here. Sa aking hand, dump lang daw a little bit. Yan. You can use this salt if you want to exfoliate your skin 2 times a week. Mas okay yun. And upon using it, pwede daw siya sa underarms, sa siko, sa tuhod, what else? Sa nape area, nape yung batok. Okay? What I'm doing now is, tinatry ko dito sa akin knuckles, because, maputi siyang tingnan sa camera, but, medyo nagda-darken na siya. I don't know. So this DIY body scrub, it really lightens and help to lighten your dark area, especially dun sa inner thigh, under the butt, your underarm, your elbow, your knees, those area na medyo hirap natin siyang paputiin. So it helps. Plus, you have to also take care of your skin. You need to wear a loose fitting clothing. Huwag daw yung masyadong mahigpit, especially dun sa mga inner thighs natin, because when we're wearing jeans, yun, they said nagkaka-friction because yung legs natin pag naglalakad. So I'm done scrubbing my both hands. Apparently, if you're in the shower, diba, nakadamp na yung skin mo and you scrub everything, let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. For rinsing time, I don't need to go to the bathroom. Meron na po akong tabo. So, rinse na lang natin siya dito. O, diba? Ay, ang taray. Lumambot ang akin. Ay, bakit dumumi ang tubig? Okay, tanggal na siguro yung ay, ang taray! Bakit parang lumighten siya? Parang lumighten agad yung kamay ko. Ang OA naman ng lightning naman ito. Parang pumuti siya, no? Ayan. At, Andito pa rin yung amoy ng salt scrub, guys. Ang lambot niya, oh. And, tadan! Uy, okay na siya. Sinilip ko talaga yung water. After shower, use also the sunflower oil sa body nyo. It really helps to lock in that moisture sa skin natin, especially dun sa area natin we want to lighten up. Sa underarm, guys, I'm telling you, try to get a cotton swab. Mag-pump kayo ng konting sunflower oil, and makikita nyo, meron siya mga brown na libag na parang basta, I'm amazed. So, I think it's really effective that it will lighten really your underarm and your dark areas. So, just be gentle when scrubbing and using a salt scrub. We don't want to over scrub our skin. Girl, we don't want to do that. So, there. So, there you have it. The Pakinis Pampaganda daw DIY from TikTok. So girls, try it out, explore it kasi malapit na ang summer. Anyway, butterfly, that's the end of the video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!